You're on.
Hello, my name is Jerron Hogan, and we are doing a project on Chapter 3, Models of the Earth. And the Earth is nearly a sphere. A sphere can be used in reference point because it has no top, bottom, sides to find the location on the surface. Each rotation, Earth rotations is on an axis. God damn it. Dang. The north and south poles are used to establishing locations. Halfway between the north and south poles is an imaginary divided line called the equator. It divides the Earth into northern and southern hemispheres. Parallel are circulars that describes positions north and south of the equator. These circles are called parallels because it runs east and west around the world as parallel to the equator. The Mediterranean are used to establish east-west location of the Earth. The Mediterranean that was selected to be 0 degrees is called the prime meridian and is passed through Greenwich, England. Longitude is the angular distance measured in degrees east and west of the prime meridian. And a globe is a model of the Earth. A globe is a spherical like Earth on so the location of related areas can be represented accurately. Macaroni projection. Mercator projection is a wrapped cylinder of paper around a light globe. Mediterranean appears as straight parallel with the equator amount of space between lines. A nomic projection is a sheet of paper placed over a light globe at only one point. Transportation occurs at the point of the contact, normally at one of the poles. Understanding map symbols can help a person read a map. And, some symbols are represented towns, barriers, and roads. And the article that we have chosen with our project is with latitude and longitude drawing of the grid. A system of lines is used to find the location of any place on the surface of the Earth. It is made up of 2 sets of lines that cross each other. One set's lines are latitude, runs in the east-west direction. The other set's lines of longitude runs the northern-southern directions. And, although they are only imaginary lines encircling the Earth, they can be drawn on globes and maps as if they was actually existing.
My name is Brittany Denise Hodges, and this is Earth Science at GET, and I'm going to be doing Chapter 3, Models of the Earth. And I'm going to be presenting the vocabulary. Parallels are any circle that runs east and west around the Earth parallel to the equator. Latitude is the angular distance north and south of the equator. Meridian is a semicircle on the Earth that runs from pole to pole. And these are the things that Jerron Spencer was asking.
Hello, I'm Tashana Mitchell, a junior at Carrot Academy of Technology, and I will be presenting the illustrations on Chapter 3. This is a model of the Earth, and it is parallels or circles describing positions north and south of the equator. Each parallel forms a complete circle around the globe. This is a spherical model of the Earth, as you can see. Spherical model of the Earth. And as my colleague, Jerron Hogan, has already said, the prime meridian at 0 degrees run through, let's find it, Greenwich, England, right along here. Now, we're going to discuss kinds of map projections, and the kind I chose to present was conic projections. And this is Map Legends, and it helps you read a map easier. And this is a model of a topographic map of a coastal valley area. This is a topographic map.
Is that it? That's it?